I wanted to show you a few helpful items that are located under the Business Setup screen. After creating a new set of books, you can go to the Setup tab and then choose Business Information. At the bottom, there are some additional tabs. If you click on the Additional tab, the information here is all optional. This is information printed in the front of the year-end detail report and provides your consultant or tax preparer information needed for filling out tax returns or doing analysis. Then under the Advanced tab, the program defaults to use Enterprise as the Enterprise wording, and the shortened format is ENT. I would suggest not changing those. Also, by default, the program is set up to do monthly budgeting. You can optionally uncheck this option to enter a yearly budget only. The next option is the Enterprise Locked to Account code, and that's only applicable to church and certain business uses. When this is checked, the Enterprise acts like a grouping of account codes. As a default, this is not checked, and most users do not check this box. Listed next under the Advanced tab is the previous year's set of books for carryover and multi-year reports. This is where you can link your previous year sets of books together to run multi-year reports. This option for using account code 193 for tracking depreciation enables the advanced option of entering depreciation for long-term assets in your monthly accounting data. If this option is left unchecked, which is the default, accumulated depreciation must be entered manually for each asset. Then an option most users will want to know about to help distinguish between different sets of books is the option of assigning a different color background for the main screen. This will help users that have multiple sets of books easily recognize the various books based on screen color. As you can see, the default color is light gray. Clicking on the drop-down arrow, you can choose a different color for that book. I will choose light green for this set of books. As you can see, it has now changed the background color. And it also, if I say OK here, you see it's changed on the background color, but it's also changed on the open view set of books screen. So now this set of books is easily distinguishable between the other books because this has a background color of green. There is also an option to assign a color for up to 6 bank accounts. The bank account name will show in the color you choose on the transaction entry screens as well as the reconcile screen. Just select the bank account you want associated with each color from the drop-down list. If you later change your mind, you can blank out the entry box for that color and have no bank account associated with it. For my example, I'm going to choose the business account to be yellow, and let's choose the cash account to be blue. And I'll hit OK. And then when I go to write a check, you can see this business account is yellow. And if I were to change it to cash account, it has changed it to blue. So you can easily make sure you're in the right account every time you write a check or make a deposit. The bank account color also shows up in the reconcile screen when you hit the red X or the red check mark. You can see that this business account is, the background color is yellow. If I'm going to reconcile this 102 account, you can see it turned it blue. So it's easily distinguishable. The final option on this screen is the default bank account override, which is right here. PcMars automatically defaults the bank account to the last one used when entering transactions. If you do not want to do this, but instead want the transaction to always default to a particular bank account, check this box and then select the default bank account from the drop-down list. So put a check mark in there and then select which bank account you always want the PcMars to open up to. So if we select this 100 account, it doesn't matter which bank account we have used when we close the program. When we reopen it, it will always open to the 100 bank account. I hope this video helped. Always remember to push the F1 key on any screen for additional information and help. Thank you.